When it comes to chronic diseases, forget family history. Focus on your family's future. What do I mean by that? So we all know the whole family history thing when it comes to chronic diseases like high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol. You know, the fact that your family history has a lot to do with the diseases that you will suffer from. But there's a new field of research called epigenetics that's actually proving that you can change your family history. How? So the environment that you live in, the lifestyle choices you make, the foods that you eat can determine what genes in your DNA are expressed. In other words, what part of your genetic makeup is turned on and which parts of your genetic makeup is turned off. Okay? That's determined by you, not so much your family history. So the old adage, you know, maybe if it's not familiar to you, but something I've heard a lot, genetics loads the gun, but lifestyle pulls the trigger. It's true. Or another adage you probably heard, you are what you eat. You know, so it's not so much what you've inherited from your parents as much as what decisions are you making today that will determine not only your personal health, but the health of generations after you. Because the same holds true. If you can change the expression of the genetic makeup in your own body, you can do the same for your children and the children's children and the generations that will come after you. So the diabetes that was in your family history, the high blood pressure that was in your family history, the high cholesterol that lives in your family history can stop with you. You can give your family's future a bright and better morning by the choices you're making today. Not only because of how genetics work, but also because your children are watching how you live. They're watching how you eat. They watch whether or not exercise is important to you, whether or not you're drinking water on a regular basis, you know, or just downing sodas every hour. Your children are watching you, and they're going to repeat the same things you do. So when we talk about family history, we should stop and we should start talking about your family future with you, because you have the power to change the generations that come after you. I hope this motivates you to not only look at yourself, but look at the powerful effect that you have for the future of your own family, to make the best choices for your health and the health of your children after you. If you want more videos like this and want to get more motivation to change your health, and especially when it comes to diabetes, then join our Facebook group, and of course, you know, share the post with anyone else that might need the motivation. Thanks for watching again. This is Diabetes 180 with Lewis Bertus, your personal diabetes reversal health coach.